Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this error, sorry we were unable to log you in with their code BN-564, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Overwatch easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out your Overwatch, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go into Overwatch launch options. So open up your game's platform, right click on Overwatch, click properties, and then go into general, and in here you're going to paste this launch option here. I'm going to put this launch option into the description of the video. You're going to paste this here. So what this does is it will reconnect you to a different server on Overwatch, and then you'll be able to fix that error, and you'll also be able to skip the queue. So once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Overwatch games files. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Overwatch exe, right click on the Overwatch exe file, click properties, and then go into compatibility, and in here you're going to make sure that you click disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply and okay, and then you can go ahead and try to play Overwatch, and you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.